Hi friends, in this session I would like to explain about wait activity. For that I am taking a process definition. Right click, go to add resources, go to process and select a process definition. Okay, I am naming this process definition as wait. Click on apply, open this process. Okay, we use this wait activity for inter-process communication. So what is inter-process communication? Inter-process communication is communication between two processes or two engines, or it can be of multiple engines. So why two processes has to be communicated? For example, there are two processes A and B. So A wants data from B. So A will wait and it will suspend its execution and it will be waiting for output, that means a data from process B. When the process B has output and it's ready with the data, it will notify the process A with notify activity. So when A receives the notification from process B, it will resume its execution. Okay, I'm taking wait palette, right click, go to add resources, go to general activities, select wait. Okay, if you observe this wait palette configuration panel, it has 4 tabs. First one is configuration, input, output and error output. Okay, in the configuration tab, here we have a field shared configuration. Okay, if these two processes wants to exchange a data, then we have to browse this shared configuration. Okay, this shared configuration is this notify configuration, so that these two processes will exchange the notify configuration. So what is notify configuration and all, and how and why we use this notify configuration, that I have already explained in a different session. Please go through that. So now I am browsing this notify configuration. If you observe this notify configuration, whatever the schema that we specify in this data, that will be exchanged between these two processes. Okay, that is called here shared data, that is called shared configuration. Okay, I am connecting using transition. Let's go to the input. In the input tab, we have two important fields. First one is key and timeout. So what is a key and why we require this? For example, if there are 5 processes waiting for notification, so if you want to notify a particular wait, then we should identify which wait has to be notified. So we require a key to be exchanged, so that that wait will be notified. Okay, and the timeout. So wait will be waiting up to a particular time if you specify the timeout value in the timeout field, otherwise it will be waiting forever. Okay, now I'm creating a job. So now this wait is waiting for a notification. As of now I'm not giving any notification, so I'm stopping this job. Let's create notify. Right click, go to add resources, go to process and select process definition. Name this as notify. Click on apply. Right click, go to add resources, go to general activities, select notify. Okay, here we have to browse the same notify configuration, so that this data will be exchanged between these two processes. If you go to input, here also we have key and timeout. Okay, if for example there are, as I mentioned previously, 5 processes are waiting. If you want to resume execution of a particular process, then we have to identify that process with this key value. Okay, save this project. Now I'm running both. So I'm creating a job for wait, so that it will be waiting for notification. So this wait is waiting for the notification. Now create a job for notify. Okay, observe the notification is the notify act is notified and this wait is released. Okay, if you want to share the data between wait and notify, let's create a schema in this notify configuration. Okay, for example, employee information, employee name, emp underscore name, employee location. Click on apply. Now observe the wait. Okay, see the output. So it is expecting employee information. In the notify, I am giving employee information, name A, and its location, and his location is India. Click on apply. Save this project. Now run it. Load selected. Okay, I'm creating a job for wait. So this wait is waiting for employee information. Okay, I'm creating a job for notify. Okay, now observe, we got employee data. So we have exchanged that employee information between these two processes. So what happens if notify notifies before this wait? Let us see. This time I'm creating a job for notify. So we created notification. So where this notification will be present? As of now, it will be present in memory. Okay, up to, if we specify the timeout in the notify, then it will be present up to a particular time, otherwise it will be waiting forever. Now I'm creating a job for wait. So now the wait is also completed. So as of now there is no notification in memory. So I'm creating one more job for wait. Now this job is waiting for notification. At this time I'm creating a notification. Okay, it is completed. That's all we can do with wait. Okay, please visit mytipco.com for more important videos and interview questions. Thank you.